kids, welcome to DoodlePop. Today, we're going to be drawing everybody's favorite doll, Barbie. Before I draw in marker, I like to quickly sketch in pencil so I don't make any mistakes. After I sketch, I start with a U shape for her chin. Then I draw her ear with the shape of a C. After that, I add 3 circles to make her earrings. Before I do any face details, I draw her hair. Her hair swoops over her shoulder. I make sure to add extra lines to make her hair look wavy. I draw her waving arm and then draw down to her side. After that, I add her other arm. Now I create her dress by drawing her hips all the way to the bottom of her dress. She has ruffles at the bottom and sparkles, so I added those. After I finish those details, I add her straps. Once I finish her dress, I add her feather boa by doing simple small lines. Now here comes my favorite part. I start adding her face details. I first start with the eye shape. Then I add her nose and mouth. Finally, I add the details to her eyes by adding more to the eye shape, fill in her eyes, and then add long eyelashes. Once you're finished drawing, you can erase your pencil lines and add color. What? Oh no!
Oh.